Nissan launched the Caravan MyRoom in Japan, transforming the LCV's rear into a designer hotel. The rear section of the van is suitable for sleeping, working, dining, or relaxing. Amenities include a double bed, sliding table, cozy couch, wood grain walls, and AC outlet. The sixth generation of the Nissan Caravan has remained largely unchanged for 15 years, yet it continues to draw new buyers with its durability and practicality. The standout model, a direct competitor to the Toyota Hiace, is the factory-fit camper conversion known as MyRoom, which pairs a Spartan exterior with a cleverly designed homely interior. The Nissan Caravan MyRoom debuted in October 2023 as a limited-time launch edition. It has now become a permanent fixture in the lineup, broadening its availability to camping enthusiasts. The MyRoom is built on the Caravan's long body, standard roof, and standard width variant, stretching 5,080 mm, 200 inches. Its exterior resembles a typical LCV, featuring unpainted bumpers and black steel wheels that complement the grille, mirror caps, and door handles. This year, the camper became available with the deep forest shade among the 5 options of the color palette. Still, most buyers will likely opt for the MyRoom exclusive sand beige finish with a white roof. Another special touch is a pair of discreet MyRoom into the Natura stickers on the side and rear windows. The interior is far more special than the exterior, as the rear portion of the cabin looks more like a fancy hotel. Everything is covered by wood grain, with modular furniture making it possible to create a living room, bedroom, or dining room in what used to be a plain cargo area. The windows are covered by blinds, with curtains for extra privacy. The second row of seats can be flipped, turning into a comfy couch, nicely combined with a sliding and removable table. As for the sleeping area, Nissan offers 2 options: a 2-part folding bed or a simpler lift-up bed, covered by herringbone fabric. The source of power for the camper is portable battery packs recycled from the Nissan LEAF. These provide enough energy to power electronic devices via an AC 100V outlet, even when the van is off-grid. The camper is available with 2 powertrain options. The naturally aspirated 2.0-liter QR20DE gasoline engine producing 129 horsepower, 96 kilowatts/130 PS, and 178 Nm, 131 lb-ft of torque, or the Mitsubishi-sourced 2.5-liter 4N16 diesel generating 130 horsepower, 97 kilowatts/132 PS, and 370 Nm, 273 lb-ft. Both powertrains are mated to a 7-speed automatic gearbox. The gasoline version is exclusively available with rear-wheel drive, but the diesel can also be had with 4-wheel drive. Depending on the trim and configuration, pricing for the Nissan Caravan MyRoom ranges between 5,516,500 yen, $37,633, and 6,855,200 yen, $46,766. Unfortunately for buyers in other markets, the camper will most likely remain a Japan-only affair.